Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you everything that I made this spring. And I know that we are always super ambitious with how much that we're going to get done. And I am actually quite proud of what I was able to accomplish in the last 3 months. So I've got, I think, 3 shirts, one skirt, and a dress. So I've got 3 shirts, 1 skirt, and a dress that I made in the last couple months, and I'm just gonna go ahead and try them on and explain to you what I made. The first thing that I made was this navy blue button-up shirt, and I don't know why I decided to start with this because it's one of the more complicated patterns that I purchased. The pattern is from Vogue, and it is V9029. So it has a lot of complicated elements to it. The pattern reads that it is a fitted blouse with princess seams, front button bands, sleeves with continuous lap, pleats, button cuffs, and French seams, as well as a narrow hem and sleeve ruffles. Now I didn't do the sleeve ruffles on mine, I just chose to leave them plain, but it had a lot of elements in this pattern and a lot of techniques that I've never tried before. This was my first time sewing a buttonhole, so that was fun to learn how to do on my machine. I did also have a hard time understanding some of the steps in the pattern. One of the things that I struggled with was doing the continuous lap on the sleeve cuff. I just couldn't understand from the pictures and the instructions on the pattern what exactly it wanted me to do. So I did end up looking up some tutorials for that. So the Vogue pattern's definitely not for beginners, but that being said, I love this shirt and I'm so happy with how it turned out. I feel like it's a really great basic piece, and while it was complicated to make, it looks simple and put together. The shirt is made from a suiting material. I can't remember exactly what it is, but it is in my fabric haul video, so if you want to watch that, I will link it down below. Overall, I love how it turned out, and I will definitely be making another shirt like this soon. The next shirt that I made is this floral blue top, and it's made with a velour fabric. I saw this fabric one day at Joann's and I really loved it. Unfortunately, they didn't have very much of it left, but I bought the rest of it and was able to make this shirt with it. It's very simple, and I was originally going based off of McCall's M7836 pattern, but I made a significant number of changes to it. I changed the neckline so that it wasn't a turtleneck, and I also got rid of the center seam in the front. It doesn't even really resemble the original pattern anymore, but this is a very simple t-shirt and doesn't have separate sleeve pieces. The front and back pieces just kind of flow into the sleeves. I used a zigzag stitch and double rolled hem for the neckline and on the bottom of the shirt. I finished the sleeves with a band of the same fabric. Overall, I'm quite happy with how it turned out. I'm glad I chose a simple design since the fabric really stands out. I made this white floral top out of some stretch chiffon that I bought at Joann's, and this is also in my fabric haul video. I just copied a shirt that I already had and was able to make my own pattern. I think it's a really great shirt because you can wear it many different ways. You can be more casual and wear it with shorts or tuck it in. And then you can also dress it up by mixing and matching with a skirt like I'm doing here. I don't know, there's something about this outfit that makes me feel really great and confident. I think it's very flattering on me, and I love the cold shoulder. Here I have a close-up of the sleeve. The front and back are tied together with a small knot so it can come apart. I like this pattern for the sleeve because I could easily edit it to make the ties longer or a different shape. If I were to make this again, which I probably will, I would use the same floral fabric for the inside of the sleeve instead of using white, just because you can see it when I do the tie. I wasn't sure how I was going to execute this, but I think I did a pretty good job. I top stitched everything on this top from the neckline to the sleeves, and I also used a top stitch to attach the liner around the bottom of the shirt. I have worn this a couple of times now, so it's been really great. The next thing that I made is a skirt using the same fabric. It is a half circle skirt made with a self-drafted pattern. I paired it here with a simple black top. All of the inside seams are serged and the waistband is fully interfaced so that it's more sturdy. I used an invisible zipper and button on the back of the skirt to close it, and it's also fully lined. I'm really happy with how this skirt turned out, and I think it's very cute and fun with the floral pattern. The last piece that I finished was this printed knit dress. This is the one thing that I made that I'm not entirely happy with, as it's just really not my style. I feel like I had so many problems making it right from the start, as far as fabric choice and then just some design decisions, so it's really not what I was originally going for. I do like how the straps are crisscrossed in the back, and I like that the darts give this dress some shape. But I really went wrong with the overall fitting of this one. I would probably be more likely to wear it if it wasn't so tight and if I had changed the neckline on it. I still ended up with a pretty dress, and the print is cute for summer, so who knows, maybe I'll end up wearing it. Thanks so much for watching. I'm really excited to jump into my summer sewing plans. So if you want to see more from me, you can subscribe to this channel. I make sewing videos, tutorials, and DIYs, and I hope to see you for the next one. Bye!